What do you put these on?
Put one of them on your car, and one of them on the car you drive. Both of them.
No shit.
Yeah, put them on both of them.
Put them on
Put one on the Camaro, one on the Lexus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. One on the Camaro, one on the
Taco lady
Lexus.
just sent up a taco, guys. You need to go get one of those.
Ooh, I'm finna go get them tacos. I'm finna go get them tacos. All my people that's on TikTok, y'all, check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We live in HD right now. I'm trying to get to that 25,000 subscribers. We getting it up 5,000 at a time. 5,000 at a time. That's right. What it is? Lookout Racing. That's right. Lookout Racing. I'm gonna put it in the comments for y'all. When y'all get over here, y'all just let me know and I can give you a shout out. Oh shit, they got a meeting back there. Okay, Yusuf just said he subscribed today. Yeah, I do read the comments. I'm reading them over here on my YouTube channel though. I got 2 lives going at one time. I ain't neglecting you. Oh yeah, I told him if you win, you get a big sticker, man. Yeah, you got the big sticker. Yeah. I'm finna. Huh? They were running down the track. They thought they won.
Them bitches at 3:30.
Hey, where my drive at?
He at the car. He putting a new sticker.
Right now. Hey, right now. Same money, right now.
Hey, they want to do it next week. We want to do it right now.
He told me 200. He looked at race and he never show up. I send the messages. You remember, motherfucker. You tell me it's not my car. It's not my car. You pay 200 and you never show up.
He big
You
man.
bet 200 he ain't show up.
Nah, motherfucker.
He said he messaged him.
Nah. You have to remember this motherfucker.
Oh yeah. He said he
remember.
He remember. He deleted the message or
I
something.
told him, look at race.
I said, you showed me the message. It's 200 right here. He showed me the message. He can get the money.
Look at race, me. 1,500 next week. Let's do it today. No.
Lock the race 1,500.
1,500. No. Next week. 1,500.
Next week. 1,500 next week. Y'all gonna do the 1,500 next week?
We want to do the same race
You
today.
know, he wins because he's lucky right now.
They lucky. That's it. See, he say y'all done got lucky this race.
What's going to be happening next week? What's the difference?
He gon' no luck next week for you. No luck next week for him.
What's the difference?
He gonna pin
So
that bitch
why
up,
he
so
scared?
he's gonna get slippy.
I don't know. I don't know why he's scared.
I want to do it today.
He said today.
Why he's scared?
No win on today, right? No win on today.
It's not my car. I put the money on
I know it. You're the same thing you say all the time. It's not my car. It's the same shit you say.
He said the same shit.
the money on it. I just put
He just bet money.
That's what I'm like, fuck,
200.
I just
I give it to you the 200. You're for free.
He said he give you that for free, man.
Fuck that.
Next week.
Do it tonight.
Nah.
Lock the race, 1,500 next week.
Hey, out the money, we give back time, same money.
No. I'm talking to him. If I lock the race with you, you don't remember this.
Shut the fuck up, Shane.
Yeah, Shane.
You got back tires tonight.
No. 1,500 next week.
Hey,
Heads up.
hey, you don't call.
Heads up.
He don't call shots. He
What about
lost.
tonight?
Okay.
No win on tonight.
Is the tire spinning? Is it out of juice? What's going on?
The car is not ready tonight.
The car not ready tonight.
It's on the mixing tonight.
Hey, did you
Something wrong with the nitrous.
see the race?
Something wrong with the nitrous.
They have to take to cut the race.
Yeah.
Boy, he
It's
was
like
out
2
there.
months. 2 months.
2 months for this one race.
I'm not ready. I'm ready.
Boy, we got the fuck out of his ass.
Here, tell me. Let's race right now.
He got the fuck out of his ass. Did you see the race?
I seen the race.
Told me 200, motherfucker. Hey.
He probably over there on the 175.
Stop talking too much shit. You want to race next week?
You car and this car.
No.
Okay.
This our last event.
Okay, stop talking too much. Okay, let's do it.
Next week. Next week. Okay, they ain't racing next week.
Let's do it. Okay, you want it? Hey, the nitrous is not ready. The
nitrous not ready today. He said that's the only reason y'all won.
We're gonna look for the range.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah.
You have to,
if they try you again, you gonna be ready.
We're gonna talk next week.
Well, right there.
He have to say yes to the range.
Hey, just bow down tonight.
No. We're gonna take the revenge.
Yeah.
Hey, just say you can't fuck with us tonight.
No. You say like 2 hours. You wanna take the race? I tell you, I'm not ready right now. You say, let's race right now. I got my car ready, so don't come with me with that shit.
So it's not ready.
My car is right now.
It's not ready.
Something is messing up.
Something messing up right now.
We mess up sometimes.
No. But we have to do the revenge.
Look at get that bad motherfucker. Look at that bad motherfucker right there.
That shit.
Next week.
Hey, they said that.
Next week. 1,500. Next week. 1,500 next week. 15 easy. Okay. They gonna be ready. Lil Diamond. Damn, Lil Diamond. Damn, Lil Diamond. Let me see what this taco line looking like. Okay, little V6. Little Honda Accord 3.5. Okay. Oh. Okay. Small block or big block? Big block? Okay. Got that big block over there, boy. Y'all don't even know. Huh? What happened?
Look out on there with limping.
That was so far ahead. How the Mustang catch him?
He ran them down.
Hey.
They arguing over there right now. Talking about 1,500 next week. The nitrous. He said the nitrous fucked up on the vet.
That's what I'm saying. Something had to go
Nitrous messed up on the vet.
Hey, look out on there with limping. Funny told, look out. I got 3 kids. All of them on. 9 seconds. Look out. I said, God damn.
Yeah, that motherfucker got that juice coming on too quick, man. I don't know. Let me see what my. Okay. Let me go over here and mess with these tacos. Oh, she getting that Frito pop ready.